Okay, so let's say you want to plot this out. This is your drawing, and your paper size will be 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters. So what you want to do is draw out a box around this your drawing with those dimensions, and then go to plot. Choose DWG to PDF here, go into properties and custom paper sizes, click on add, start from scratch, that's fine, and 50 centimeters in millimeters will be 500 by 500, but you don't want to do that. So to get rid of the Autodesk student watermark around the sides, you want to add a little bit of extra space. So let's go with 600 by 600, and then we'll hit next, next, and next. We'll hit finish here and hit OK. So now when you're on DWG to PDF, if you scroll all the way up to the top or the bottom, it could be either or, this is the size that you've just created, 600 mil by 600 mil, which is 60 by 60. What do you want to plot? You have to choose the window, and now you just click on the one side of your paper and to the other, center the plot, and your scale is going to be custom. So it's 10 to 1 because our units are in centimeters and this is millimeters, so 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. If you want, you can preview that. Just hit OK, that's fine. That looks good. And yeah, we're just going to hit OK to plot that. Go into your desktop. I'm going to save it on my desktop. So right now that's what we have here, and as you can see, the watermarks are outside. We don't want that. So to get rid of that, let's open it up in Illustrator. And now what you want to do is go into your artboard, and it's in millimeters, that's fine. But if you wanted to, you could always set this up to centimeters. Yeah. So right now it's 60.01, that's fine. Don't worry about that 01 part. But since our paper size is 50 by 50, we're going to just change that to 50 by 50. And just save. Can't save this. Okay, that's because I have this open here. So I'm just going to close that and try that again. And there you go, it's saved. You can now close this, and every time you open up the PDF again, you will no longer see the watermark. And if you go and print this, you won't see the watermark here anyways. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.